Hello, welcome to the channel. Here we go, Functional Skills Level 1, a non-calculator paper, a specimen from AQA this time. Let's have a go at this one. Right, let's see if we can wind it down. Oh, that's too far. Okay, so how long do we get? Oh, half an hour. Let's see what we can do. Non-calculator paper. 1.2 times 100 is 120. Okay, now write in digits 32,000. That's all right. Draw all the lines of symmetry on this shape. We've got one that goes down that way. It's Ghostbusters, isn't it? There, for anybody remembers that. Yeah, no entry sign there. There's two of them. 728 divided by 4. Okay, 7.28 divided by 4. 1 4 goes into 7 with 3 over. 4 8s are 32 and 4 2s are that. But don't forget the decimal point. 1.82. And you can subscribe to this channel if you wish. If you'd like you to come along on this journey through maths, functional skills. Here are 5 numbers. Work out the range. The range is the difference between the biggest and the smallest. So we shall call that 12. Yeah. What's 25% of 76? Right. It's a quarter. Right. So if I do 76 divided by 4. 1's into that. Right, 4's into 36. 4 9s are 36. So it's 19. How are we doing? How are we doing so far? We're doing okay, aren't we? Yeah. Ooh, if only I could see what that is. It can't be the same. I'm going to zoom in a little bit because it's really difficult to see. 8's a divide. Okay, so BIDMAS. So BIDMAS says that you divide before you do the add. So 35 divided by 5 is 7, plus 15 is 22. 22 is that one? Let's have a look at some more questions, shall we? Go back to the other size. Because sometimes when you get pictures and stuff, you can't get them all on. Right, section B. A garden design. See what I mean? As soon as you get something like that, you can't get it on. Right. Customers asked Erin to design and build a new garden. The garden will be rectangle, 11 by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. A paved area, 2 by 2. Have we got a scale? 1 centimetre. So we'll say that a square is 1 centimetre. A paved area, 2 by 2 in a corner. So 2 by 2 in the corner, yeah, and a hedge 6 by 1 rectangle along one edge. Okay, 6 by 1 along one edge. So let's go in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the hedge. So there's the paved area. There's the hedge, and a circle with a radius of 3, a flower bed. So let's put there, radius of 3 will be there. I'm going to have to draw this freehand. Do 3. Can anything touch the sides? No, that's alright. Okay, so let's try and draw a circle. Yeah, you do this with a compass, won't you? So you get it right. As long as you get the right, and that's flower bed. It's supposed to be a circular flower bed. The table shows the amounts that Erin charges the customer. Designing the garden, materials and building the garden. How much is it charge altogether? Well, we've got $49.99 plus $62.73. Now remember the garden was £10 times, it was 9 by 11, wasn't it? 9 by 11. Oh, no calculators. Ooh, don't like this. Let's work that out then. 49.99 plus 62.73. This is 99 times 10 is 990. So plus 990.00. We've got to add this up. Hope it comes to the right amount. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 16, 17. 9, 10, 11, 12. 4, 10, 19, 20. And 9 to 11. So it looks as though it's £11,002 and 72 pence. £11,002 and 72 pence. Right. It will take 48 hours of work to complete the garden. The garden must be finished in 3 days. Each gardener works for 8 hours. How many gardeners are needed? Right. So we're going to do is must be done in 3 days. So we do 48 hours of work. Divide that by 3, which equals 16 hours of work a day. Each gardener works for 8 hours. So 16 divided by 8 equals 2. So they're going to need 2 gardeners. The paved area of a square is 2 meters long. The paving stones are 50 by 50. How many slabs are needed? Okay, so let's draw the square out here. Yeah, so this is 2 meters. Now I'm going to change this to centimeters. Yeah, I'm going to call that 200 centimeters. It's going to be a lot of zeros in this, I can see already. So if I work out the area of the paved bit, then work out the area of the paving stone and divide one into the other, we should be okay. So 200 by 200 equals 4, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 zeros on the end. Yeah, that's centimeters squared. I'll put that just in case somebody gets funny. Yeah, now the other one is 50 by 50, which equals 5 5s are 25, and put the 2 zeros on the end, centimeters squared. So now I've got to divide that by that. So let's come down here, 40,000 divided by 2,500. Now I can simplify that a bit to be 400 divided by 25. Now 25, 4 of them make 100, so that will be 16. 16 stones. Paving stones. 16 paving stones. Oh, that's the end of the questions, right? Okay. Okay, let's go back here and there and there. Right, okay. So there you go. That's the level 1 non-calculator paper for you. So I would really like you to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, that it will help it grow. Make a comment. Maybe you want me to do a different examination board. I'm looking at all the specimen and sample materials that I can find, and they're all going to be in one place, so it's easy to do. And it doesn't matter which exam board you do. You can always practice the other ones. It really helps. You put your thumbs up to say you've watched it, so at least I know something's happening, and that's it. So there will be, coming up in just a second, some little squares right in the middle that link to other videos of the similar kind. So I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.